Hi. Now we discuss about Universal Power Group 12V 35Ah battery for John Deere Lawn Garden Tractor. So let's start. Key specifications. Brand, Universal Power Group. Battery cell composition, sealed lead acid. Product dimensions, 7.76 x 5.16 x 6.14 inches. Unit count, 1. Recommended uses for product: consumer electronics, electric vehicles, engine starters, golf carts, hunting, lawn and garden tools, motorcycles, and a lot more. The Universal Power Group 12V 35Ah battery for John Deere Lawn Garden Tractor is another quality product from this manufacturer. It is another example of the reliable performance of an AGM product for powering your lawn tractor. The battery is powerful and does an impressive job of holding a charge, even during cold weather. It's a feature that is essential for these products. The Universal Power Group tractor battery is a versatile product and suitable for a variety of devices. It's a wise investment, from the easy installation to the longevity of the product. These benefits justify the higher price tag for getting a product from this reputable manufacturer. Overall, it's an excellent battery that gets the job done right with the juice to back up its strong performance. Pros: easy to install, convenient carrying handle, excellent fit, reliable performance in cold weather, holds a charge well. Cons: pricier than comparable batteries, inadequate packaging. The product buy link is in the description below if you want to buy it.